How to delete sent photos on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply tap on Messenger application and launch it. Make sure to log into your account. Now simply navigate to the conversation containing the photo you want to delete. Now you can scroll to the chat to locate the specific photo. Press and hold the photo until a new menu appears on your screen. And here you need to tap on more button. Here you will see different options like pin, forward, bump, unsend and more details. So in order to delete, tap on send button. If you unsend for you, then it will be removed from your chat only. But if you unsend for everyone, then it will be deleted for everyone, including you and other members on this chat. So let's tap on send for everyone, and the message has already been deleted and on send. So in this way you can easily delete sent photos on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.